In this video, I'm going to show you how we like to light up our campsite and make it fun and bright. So stay tuned. So a lot of the newer trailers nowadays come with some amazing light packages. In fact, I love those trailers with the blue lights. That's my favorite. But our trailer's older, so we have to get a little bit more creative when lighting up our campsite. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So here in Utah this year, the entire summer has been shut down to campfires. The fire restrictions, everything's so dry that we can't have a campfire. And you know as well as I know that, the light from the campfire just kind of sets the mood and, is a really nice ambiance. So I think it's even more important that we have different sources of light to kind of make your campsite bright and fun. So here are some of the things that we do. Okay, so first off are glow sticks. Now, I know some of you probably think this is a little bit cheesy, but I love glow sticks and I love the fun, bright colors that it adds to your campsite. In fact, we take these and not only do we add them around the campsite, we've actually lined pathways with glow sticks, but it's fun to give everybody at the campsite. So you can pick these up at Dollar Tree almost all the time. This is a pack of 25. So pick up a couple packs and your campsite will be glowing, literally. So second are these fun solar lights that I also picked up from Dollar Tree. Very inexpensive, and yet you can line your entire campsite with these. We do a lot of boondock camping, so to have solar anything is such a plus. So these can actually serve two purposes. They make your campsite nice and bright, but they also can be used for safety. Have you ever tripped over a tent stake or a tent guy line? These will work perfect. Now, this isn't necessarily fun, but how necessary to have a good lantern. A couple different lanterns set throughout your campsite that you can just flip on at a moment's notice. Okay, next are some Christmas tree lights, and this is a bonus because they're solar. They can charge all day long, and then it leaves such a beautiful, fun glow at your campsite. Now, one thing I like to do is the day after Christmas, I always go pick up a couple extra packages of these Christmas lights when they go on sale. So we have a fun summer of bright colors. And then last are these awesome lights. Once again, they're solar. I picked these up off of Amazon. In fact, I'll leave the link below. But these just add a nice, soft, warm, kind of relaxing light. And not only that, but when they're lit up, it helps you to see where you're walking around the campsite, so safety. So hey, I hope maybe I've given you a couple of ideas to make your campsite a little bit more fun and bright. So this was just a quick video. If you got some value out of it though, give me a big thumbs up. I'd also love to have you subscribe to our channel. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.